Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing super well. So in today's video, we are trying something new, a challenge. Not a challenge, it's a look that's been trending all over socials and on YouTube, and I guess it's because of is it Bella Hadid or Kendall Jenner, that sort of fox eye look. I guess it's essentially a winged eye but using eyeshadow, but there's a little bit of manipulation that you're doing to the shape of the eye as well. So I think that's where it gets a little bit, it tests your technique in that sense. So we're going to try it out. For this I'm going to be using an angled brush. This one is from Smashbox. I've prepped my eye, so actually I want to just go over my whole eye with my face powder or a bronzer or something. All it really needs to be is just a neutral sort of brown. So I'm just taking a big fluffy brush. This is the Sigma Tapered Blending E35. And I'm just going to brush this across the lid because I do want it to be warm. I did prep my lids with some concealer and some powder. So I'm just placing this powder pretty much all over the lid because we're not really doing much to this space of the eye. I'm officially testing out my new lighting. I have my softboxes on and my ring light on. It's still a pretty nice day, so I could have used natural light, but I just want to see how this looks because I'm debating on whether I need to get a new camera. But anyway, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette because one of the tutorials I watched, I saw a girl using this one. But you can use any sort of neutral eyeshadow palette that has these sorts of browns and stuff in it as well. So I'm gonna go in with Mulberry, which is this I'll put pan on it. It's my favorite color. We're gonna take the angled brush, dip it in, and we're gonna create a line. Then I'm gonna take a clean, I'm gonna take a clean sort of tapered brush like this, and I'm just gonna sort of blend out ever so slightly the edges. My lips is so dry. Alright, so we've blurred it out a little bit, but it's still pretty much there. I'm gonna go in with the same brush and I'm gonna reach for Noir, which is a super black shade. We're going to go over this line, but we're gonna keep that Mulberry peeking through a little bit. So I'm gonna go back in with that tapered brush again and just soften those edges. Alright, so that's pretty much the eye. Before we get into lashes, I'm gonna clean up below the line with some concealer before we go in with our foundation. I'm gonna do something I've never done before, which is curl my lashes. I'm using my Chanel lash curler. Gonna take some mascara. This is a Dior Pump and Brow. No, Dior Pump and Volume. Ugh. So for our lashes, we're not doing a full lash. We're gonna cut our lashes in half, so that, or 3/4, so that we just have an accentuation happening at the end of the eye, just to pronounce that elongation once again. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm using my Pinky Good lashes. This is a pair that I don't mind cutting because I have gotten some use out of them, and they're quite subtle as well. I'm gonna cut about 3/4. Alright, so our lashes are on. We're gonna complete the rest of our face, and then we're gonna come back and do the inner corners. Okay, so to complete the eye, we're gonna take this wing and just bring it in a little bit. So we're gonna go back in with Mulberry. I'm gonna go in with Noir and just tap ever so slightly in the center of that. So I'm gonna spritz my face with some MAC Fix Plus before we go in with highlighter. While the Fix Plus dries down, I'm going to do my lips, and I'm going to be doing a nude matte. I'm taking my MAC lip pencil in Chestnut. The lipstick I'm taking is the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick in Lady Be Good. So the highlighter I'm using is from Wet n Wild, my favorite drugstore or high-end highlighter, and it's called Crown of My Canopy. And this is the finished look, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna go away and just put some curls in my hair, and I'll be right back. So this is it, guys. This is the finished look of my attempt at the fox eye makeup look. So like I said, it is essentially a winged liner done with shadow, with the edges blurred out, pretty much. Just blend it out a little bit, and then you bring that feline look into the inner corner here, just sort of carrying on the elongation of the eye. And I guess another important factor is the fact that the eyelashes don't cover the whole eye. You just have the outer corners placed just to once again pronounce that elongation of the eye. And that is it. That is the fox eye look. Like I said earlier, I think I do much prefer this sort of winged eye that is sort of quite subtle and not too much in your face like a normal ink liner would look, too overdone with a makeup look. But I really like this. I like it a lot. So if you haven't already, I would love it if you gave this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, I would love it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I create beauty content, lifestyle content as well. So yeah, I know people who have been asking me for a autumn winter styling haul. It's coming soon. I'm ordering a whole bunch of clothes that are still like coming in. Delivery is taking long because of COVID and because of the backlog of orders of most websites. So that's going to take some time as well. Hopefully it won't take too long for all my stuff to arrive. But until then, I'll be seeing you guys on the gram, and I'll be seeing you guys this Thursday as well for another fun video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon. Bye.